Alright guys, so what we're going to see today is we're going to see the quadratic formula. So, if you recall from last week, we went over a standard form. Let's write that down. The standard form for the quadratic equation. And that is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, if we were to complete the square for this standard form of the quadratic equation, we're able to derive what's known as a quadratic formula, and that is written in the form of x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and all of this over 2a. Now, let's go over one example. Let's see. Let's see, example number 1. So we're asked to solve x to the 5th power plus 5x plus 2 equals 0. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do a setup. So set up. So we want to find our a's, our b's, and our c's. So for this step here, what we're going to do is I want you guys to notice that my a is going to be my coefficient 1, leading coefficient 1. My b is my coefficient 5. My c is my constant 2. All right. Now, step number 1. For step number 1, I want you guys to rewrite the quadratic formula. So we go ahead and we have x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all of this over 2a. Now I'm going to go over this side of the board now. So hopefully you guys copy this down. Alright, that's step number 1. Now for step number 2, what I want you guys to do is substitute. Now you know what your a, your b, and your c is. I want you to substitute it back to your quadratic formula. So this is going to have the form of x equals negative 5 plus or minus 5 squared over 2. All right. So your answer is, your x is going to be negative 5 plus or minus square root of 2 over 2. All right. Is there any questions? All right, so I'm going to assign you guys these problems over here. I want you to work on them individually, and I want you to turn them in at the end of the classroom, please. So, do example 1. Square 5. If you have any questions, just raise your hand. I'll go help you out.